Every 11 seconds, a new cyber attack hits somewhere in the world. From hospitals to banks to your own cloud storage, nobody's safe. That's why cyber insurance has become one of the fastest growing industries on the planet. But what's coming in 2025 is not what you think. Today, we'll reveal how cyber insurance really works, why premiums are skyrocketing, and what you absolutely must know before it's too late. In 2025, cyber attacks aren't just targeting corporations, they're targeting data itself. Ransomware gangs are now using AI to bypass firewalls and encrypt entire cloud networks in minutes. Small businesses are getting hit the hardest, and cyber insurance has become their only lifeline. But here's the catch. Many policies don't cover these new generation AI-driven attacks. It's a gray area that insurers are still rewriting, so you need to read your fine print very carefully. Between 2020 and 2025, average cyber insurance premiums have shot up by nearly 250%. Why? Because losses are no longer rare. They're routine. Insurers have to cover ransom payments, data recovery, lawsuits, and even reputation damage. To stay profitable, they now use data profiling, scanning a company's security rating, backup habits, and employee training records before even quoting a price. The better your cyber hygiene, the lower your premium. The worse your defenses, the higher the cost. Most people don't realize that cyber insurance has more exclusions than any other policy type. If you delay patching your software, skip multi-factor authentication, or store data on unsupported servers, your claim can be denied. There's also the Acts of Cyber War clause. If a hack is linked to a foreign government, many policies classify it as warfare, which isn't covered. In 2024, over 40% of cyber claims were partially rejected because of this fine print. The future is here. Insurers in 2025 don't just react to claims, they predict them. AI algorithms analyze your digital footprint in real time. How often you update passwords, your cloud traffic patterns, and even your employee logins. This data decides your next premium before you even renew. It's smart insurance, but it raises serious privacy questions. Here's a stat that shocks everyone. 90% of breaches start with human error. One phishing email, one weak password, and millions can be lost. That's why many cyber insurers now require annual security training for all employees. If you don't do it, you risk voiding your coverage. It's no longer just IT's problem, it's everyone's. So, what can you do right now? First, enable multi-factor authentication on every single device. Second, use secure backups and encrypt everything. Third, train your team on phishing and social engineering. And before buying a policy, read the clauses covering AI-based attacks, data breach response, and ransom limits. Knowledge is your real firewall. In 2025, cyber insurance is no longer optional. It's about survival. But survival comes with rules. The companies that understand those rules will pay less and stay safe. The ones that ignore them will learn the hard way. If this video helped you understand the future of cyber insurance, hit like, subscribe, and share it before someone you know gets locked out of their own data. Thanks for watching.